disconnected the stabilizer bar from the top of the control arm right there. Disconnected shock absorber because I'm putting a new one in. Disconnected the U-bolts that hold the control arm to the frame in the rear and in the front, all with a jack under the spring perch on the control arm. Now I'm going to lower the jack slowly and carefully. So goes the plan. And the spring is out. And then I just set the new spring in, jack it up into place, put the U-bolts in, reconnect the stabilizer bar and the shock, good to go. No spring compressor.